Are you buying a property in the Philippines? If you don't know the transfer cost, you could be blindsided with a massive bill. Let us be real, buying property is very exciting. You see the house, agree on the price, maybe even negotiate a good deal. But here's the part many buyers, especially foreigners who are married to Filipina, completely overlook: the cost of transfer. And I'm not just talking about a little paperwork fee. We're talking about taxes, registration fees, legal costs, and maybe even unpaid dues the seller forgot to tell you. So what happens if you don't know the cost upfront? You get stuck paying for more than what you planned. You delay the transaction because documents can be processed. The title don't get transferred because someone didn't pay the right tax. Worst case, you lose trust in the seller or the agent, or the whole deal falls through. This is not the surprise that you want after signing. What you need to know before buying: capital gains, documentary stamp tax, transfer tax, notarial and registration fees, unpaid property taxes or association dues. Yes, you might inherit those too. And remember, always ask who's paying what. If it's not in writing, then it's not a deal. Knowing the full cost of transfer isn't optional. It is essential and it's very important. It is a difference between a smooth transaction and a financial nightmare. Then, if you're buying a property in the Philippines, make sure that you are not just asking, how much is the house? You need to ask, what is the total cost of ownership? So be careful. If you have this price that's being offered to you, who knows that your transfer cost will also be the same amount, and it will double your total acquisition cost. This is JRC, your go-to guide for visas, immigration, and real estate in the Philippines. And I'll be seeing you on our next Real Estate Friday video.